Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2021 Ford Bronco Sport in a Big Bend trim and powered by a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency with four-wheel drive capabilities, so you're going to be able to get around pretty well. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back, we have a pretty spacious cargo area that can always be expanded by folding down the rear seats. And you have these little tie-down points with lassos on them. You have these cargo lights, which can be articulated to shine wherever you need them. And over here you have a 12-volt power outlet. And underneath here you have your spare tire with some extra room for other stuff. Then looking into the back seat, where you have comfortable seating for three with fold-out armrests and two cup holders in the middle. You also have this sort of wetsuit material here for part of the trim. And then the backs of the seats have these zippered pockets as well as molly rigging, so you can hook stuff onto there. And down here in the middle you have a USB and USB-C. This vehicle does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your car. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel on the right-hand side, you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at your driver assistance features, your now playing, phone controls, information, trip information, my view with a digital speedometer, and then back to driver assistance. Moving on to the left, you have your cruise controls, as well as having your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom, and your lane keeping system on the end of the signal stock. Then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there. Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera so you can see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything. Moving down, you have your media controls as well as your hazards and your auto start stop shut off. You have a little cubby beneath that. And then moving further down, you have your climate controls here with heated front seats so you can stay cozy. Then down below that, you have this cubby area here with a wireless charging pad, so if your phone's compatible, throw it on there to charge. And you have a 12-volt USB and USB-C, so you can plug something in from there too. Then you have your main shifter here on a dial, very convenient, easy to use. Parking brake, brake hold, two cup holders, and your GOAT mode selector for normal, eco, sport, slippery, and sand, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. And then you have your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious inside with another USB and USB-C, so you can plug something in from there too. But that should cover our look at the interior. Now, if you're interested, feel free to visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.